This video is such a funny compilation of various epic fails, especially for workers, and we strongly suggest you watch till the end if you want to laugh and have a better mood. Meanwhile you do just that, we would like to jump on the second clip featuring an epic fail concrete pipe unloading and provide some useful information for this unique job. Unloading of pipe should be controlled to avoid collision with other pipe sections or fittings, and care should be taken to avoid chipping the bells or spigots. The use of mechanical equipment is necessary for unloading large diameter pipe and can usually expedite the unloading of smaller pipe as well. A forklift can be used for unloading pipe sections. However, the following manufacturer recommendations should be adhered to. Confirm that the equipment can handle the weight of the pipe or box section to be unloaded by checking the load charts for the respective equipment. This may apply to certain lifting devices being used for the unloading as well. Always handle the pipe from the bell end if at all possible. Drive into the pipe straight and lift the top center of the pipe with the forks level. This prevents the pipe from twisting and having to center itself. If handling two pipe sections at a time, leave a gap between the pipe when traveling. Tilt the forks slightly up so that the pipe is slightly tilted back toward the machine when traveling. Fork pads are an option as well, but not required to successfully unload the pipes. Avoid sitting the pipe on debris or uneven surfaces that could point the load bell. Dunnage or bell holes are recommended. Always travel on the smoothest possible terrain when transporting pipe. Avoid rough terrain if possible. Do not allow the pipe to roll together either on forks, if picking up from one side, or on the ground when transporting more than one piece at a time. Avoid letting pipe bounce on the forks. Forks that are 6 feet or longer in length work best. Do not allow the back or heel of the fork to be in contact with the pipe when lifting or traveling with the pipe, as the radius at this location can cause damage. A small gap is necessary. If the pipe has to be moved after unloading, the sections should be rolled or lifted and should never be dragged. Pipe sections should not be rolled over rough or rocky ground. If a lifting device is required, the device, slings, chain, steel wire, cable, rope, etc., should enable proper and safe handling without damage to the pipe. The lifting device should be placed around the pipe and arranged so that the pipe is a lifted horizontal position. Padding should be provided between the pipe and lifting device if the device could chip or damage the pipe.